Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly magical to share with you that's going to revolutionize the way you create visuals. Imagine transforming your words into breathtaking images, art, GIFs, product photos, and engaging visuals in just 3 seconds. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's no longer just a dream. This groundbreaking AI image generator tool does exactly that. Turns your words into visually stunning creations in the blink of an eye. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or just someone who loves to bring their ideas to life visually, this tool is designed for you. But what makes it so powerful? How does it work? And most importantly, how can it help you create the most engaging content effortlessly? Stick around, because in this video, we're going to dive deep into the features and benefits of this incredible AI image generator tool. You won't believe what it can do. Get ready to be amazed and inspired. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Umarfado, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and tips. Let's get started. Introducing Artisia, AI Image Studio. Let's dive into the amazing features of this Artisia that will transform your creative process. First up, it transforms words into breathtaking images. Just type a few words and unlock the power to effortlessly craft stunning top-tier visuals with a single keyword. Next, the words-to-prompt generator. It converts words or phrases into creative prompts, generating stunning images effortlessly. Just type in a keyword or a sentence and watch the magic happen. Stunning futuristic logos in seconds. Just enter your text, and Artisia will create professional logos in just 3 clicks. Modify and edit any image like a pro. No more clicking and sliders. Edit photos with simple instructions in Artisia. Create stunning 4K HD AI images in real time about anything and in any niche. Say goodbye to the hassle of using multiple AI platforms. Generate limitless artworks and drawings like a pro. Save money while accessing world-class AI logos, graphics, and arts. Turn product photos into breathtaking visuals with our AI-powered Product Photo Studio. Get stunning, high-converting product images without the usual headaches. AI in-painting technology lets you replace any object with just a single keyword. Edit hairstyles, change colors, and swap out objects effortlessly. Remove or replace backgrounds from images and videos instantly. More hassle with Photoshop or other tools. Convert any image into artworks. Transform your photos into oil paintings, sketches, 3D imagery, cartoons, and more with a single click. Convert your sketches into stunning AI artworks in real time. Sell these artworks and boost your marketing game. Turn any image into realistic 3D videos with just your text commands. Experience a technology like never before. AI Image Upscaler transforms your low-resolution images into ultra-sharp high-resolution images up to 4096x4096 peaks. AI Image. Reimage effortlessly creates variations of your images, similar but different, with just 1 click. AI Image Uncrop extends your images, adding context and enlarging your perspective seamlessly. Finally, AI Magical Text Removal makes removing text from images effortless and precise with just a few clicks. Let's talk about the cost of creating stunning visuals with AI tools. If you're looking to invest in AI image generation, you might be considering some of the popular options out there. But hold on, let me show you something amazing. MidJourney charges a whopping $1,299 per year. DALL-E will set you back $789 annually. Stability Eye costs $320 a year. ChatGPT comes in at $240, and Leonardo da Vinci charges $399 per year. That's a lot of money. But what if I told you there's a game changer? Introducing Artisia, your ultimate AI image generator tool with an unbelievable pricing model. With Artisia, you get all these stunning features for just $17. And here's the best part. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Yes, you heard that right. No monthly fees, no yearly subscriptions. Just one low payment and you're set for life. Why spend thousands of dollars when you can get everything you need and more with Artisia for just $17? Imagine the savings. Imagine the possibilities. But you need to act fast. This incredible offer won't last forever. Artisia is revolutionizing the way we create visuals, and you don't want to miss out. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to check out Artisia and secure your lifetime access for just $17. Transform your visuals and save money today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Photo, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and tips. See you in the next video.